Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and today we are going to create this beautiful vintage butterfly. You can use it as a mobile or whatever as a decoration for your home. And you may or may not know, this month we are on a break from our Creative World Tour, and this is why we are taking care of the vintage collection and creating projects from that one. As usually, you'll find all the links below with the template and all the material you need to create this beautiful butterfly. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this beautiful butterfly. Before I do so, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. So now let's get started. So first of all, I printed out the paper on the one page and the template on the other page, and now I start by cutting out the butterfly, the wings, the first part of the wings and the second part, and also the body of the little butterfly, and then we put it all together. And it's really easy. All these tutorials are pretty easy. You can do them also with your kids if you want to, and it's a nice little crafting afternoon if you want to. And especially in these times where we have to stay at home, it might be a good idea to do some crafting together. And this month we have a break from our Creative World Tour. We are on the Digidesignresort island, and maybe that's why it's a really nice idea to do some vintage products to decorate your home with that. So let's get this butterfly together. Of course, you can do many more of this and put them all on your window or wherever you can think of. It's really a nice little project. So once we have cut out all the pieces, you fold the wings, and then a little trick, use the bone folder, and you see me doing it like that. It looks so much nicer later when we put everything together, and you will see I do it with each of the wings, and of course not with the body, and then I put it all together. You can of course use a normal glue, but it's much better to use hot glue and put it together. Then it looks much better and the wings are much nicer, and you can really get it together. And especially the body of the little butterfly, it's also much better if you put on some hot glue here. Yeah, that's it. We have put our little project together, and don't let this fool you. Make a lot more of that, and you can then put it on your window or maybe as a table decoration. There are many things you can use the butterflies for. You can also make it bigger or smaller. It's a nice idea. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to come back for the next one and check out the vintage collection in the info box below. Until then, bye!